After Russia invaded Ukraine in February, over 40,000 Jewish Ukrainian refugees have fled to Israel, often with nothing. 78-year-old Nikolai and his wife Vera arrived in August, after living through the unimaginable. Vera told us about their life in Ukraine before the war started. They were married for over 50 years with 2 beautiful children, both now grown with families of their own. They were settled among family and friends in beautiful Mariupol, in a spacious apartment where they had raised their children, collected a lifetime of memories. Both retired from fulfilling careers, they were looking forward to spending their golden years spoiling their grandchildren and gardening at their summer home. But then the Russians came. Nikolai and Vera survived weeks of blackout, siege, and bombings. They witnessed neighbors burying loved ones in hastily dug graves in public parks, and they saw 95% of Mariupol destroyed or damaged. And then, when a fire sparked by a Russian tank raged through their apartment, the elderly couple grabbed their documents and their beloved cat Toma and they fled. Days later, they escaped Mariupol with their son and his family. As Jews, Israel beckoned as a safe haven. And finally, after weeks of traveling and braving countless Russian checkpoints, Nikolai, Vera, and their cat Toma arrived in Israel. Their situation was dire though. Israel helps new immigrants by providing a monthly allowance and state-sponsored housing. But with tens of thousands of new immigrants to care for, the budget is tight, the allowance not enough, and the rooms of the state-sponsored apartments are bare. The solution is to work hard, to learn Hebrew, and to find a job. But Nikolai and Vera are both well past retirement age. What hope was there to live out the remainder of their lives in comfort? Bridges for Peace learned about the plight of this precious elderly couple from Yad Le'olim, a Jewish aid organization that helps new immigrants. And we immediately knew we wanted to help. And thanks to the generous gift of a Bridges for Peace donor in the US, we were able to purchase the things that Nikolai and Vera need to turn their bare apartment into a home. Our team carried in a new fridge, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, stove top, and microwave. We carried in cutlery and crockery and assembled a kitchen table and chairs, a bed, bedside tables, and a wardrobe. Then came a couch, easy chairs, a coffee table, and a television, followed by cleaning supplies, groceries, and a laptop with an extra big screen. As Vera beamed at the Bridges for Peace team bustling around her, she told me that she spent her life helping others. And in the end, it wasn't all for nothing. After all these years, she said, when I needed it most, you came to help me. As our team headed out, I asked Nikolai what he was the most excited about, expecting an answer like the laptop or the fridge. You, he answered. Every time we use these things, we will remember you, he said. We will always remember you. One Christian donor changed the plight of this precious couple. But there are tens of thousands just like Nikolai and Vera who face a terrifying future without the means to provide. Now, when they need it most, we as Christians have the privilege to help them. Your gift to our new immigrant fund will help us turn bare apartments into safe havens. With your help, we can give them a homecoming.